Hi Sonia, hope you are doing well. So I have redesigned your Notion template and add your website integrate link. So now it is working. So first of all, here you can see this home section. Back to home page, add a new member, verify by role, recent added, future client. So when we click in this home section, so new tab will be open your website. Okay, so your website will be open this in this way, and go on the back. And if you want to check out by view by role, we need to click here. Recent edit will be show here, feature client will be show here. So in team directory, so here's two options like all client and active. So I have put these all data according to your previous template. So when we click here open this, so you can check out all information like address, portfolio, Instagram, and so more like this one about, and these all I have put these all in each profile, so you can check out. So I have set up everything like if I open recent added, and now if I want to back on the main dashboard, I just need to click here back to home page. So then this data like this display will be shown here. So review this structure and let me know if you need any further changes somewhere. Thank you, and I am waiting your feedback.